Hello everyone, welcome back to the Deutsch Lernen TV. Today we go through the verbs that its stem changes A to A with umlaut when conjugating. That is 5.7. Hope that you can remember the things that we learned in the previous lessons. In part 5.1, how to conjugate the verb sign. In part 5.2, how to conjugate the verbs with the end in en. In part 5.3, how to conjugate the verbs with the end in ten. In part 5.4, how to conjugate the verbs with the end in stn, sen and isen. In part 5.5, the verbs that its stem changes e to ie. In part 5.6, the verbs that its stem changes e to I. Word of für heute. Words for today. Die Katze, the cat. Die Ratte, the rat. Das Auto, the car. Die Tasche, the bag. Schnell, fast. Das Herz, the heart. 8, 8. Die Stunden, the hours. Die Brille, the spectacle. Das Mädchen, the girl. Das Hähnchen, the chicken. Die Kleidung, the clothes. Okay, now let's move on to the lesson for today. Verb stem änderung A zu A mit umlaut. Verb stem changing A to A with umlaut. These are some verbs that come under this category when conjugating. Fahren, to drive. Fangen, to catch. Laufen, to run. Schlafen, to sleep. Schlagen, to beat or to hit. Tragen, to carry or to wear. Waschen, to wash. Laden, to load. Beraten, to advise. Braten, to roast or to fry. Halten, to hold. Lassen, to let or to leave. As you see in the tables, the letter A in blue color changes to A with umlaut, and this only happens to the pronouns do, a, c and s. First, let's see the verb stems of these infinitive verbs. Verb stems. Fahren, to drive. The stem of the verb is fahr. Schlafen, to sleep. The stem of the verb is schlaf. Tragen, to carry or to wear. The stem of the verb is trag. Waschen, to wash. The stem of the verb is wasch. Laufen, to run. The stem of the verb is lauf. Now let's see how to conjugate these verbs. As an example, let's take the verb schlafen. The stem of the verb is schlaf. Since the verb schlafen ends with en, we conjugate the ending as we learned in part 5.2. And you can see how the verb stem changes A to A with umlaut for the pronouns do, er, sie and s. Ich schlafe, I sleep or I am sleeping. Du schläfst, you sleep or you are sleeping. Here you is informal and singular. Er schläft, he sleeps or he is sleeping. Sie schläft, she sleeps or she is sleeping. Es schläft, it sleeps or it is sleeping. Wir schlafen, we sleep or we are sleeping. Ihr schlaft, you sleep or you are sleeping. Here you is informal and plural. Sie schlafen, you sleep or you are sleeping. Here you is formal and can use for both singular and plural. Sie schlafen, they sleep or they are sleeping. Remember that Though the conjugation of the verb laufen changes a to a with umlaut in the stem, the pronunciation is different. It is oi. Ich laufe, I run or I am running. Du läufst, you run or you are running. Läuft, he runs or he is running. Sie läuft, she runs or she is running. Es läuft, it runs or it is running. Wir laufen, we run or we are running. Ihr lauft, you run or you are running. Sie laufen, they run or they are running. You run or you are running. Okay, Übung 1, exercise 1. You can try this exercise. Remember that endings of the verbs fahren and laden conjugate as we learned in part 5.2, and the ending of the verb halten conjugates as in part 5.3. Übung 1, Antworten. Exercise 1, answers. Fahren, to drive, the stem of the verb is fahr. Ich fahre, du fährst, fährt, sie fährt, es fährt, wir fahren, ihr fahrt, sie fahren. Laden, to load, the stem of the verb is lad. Ich lade, du lädst, lädt, sie lädt, es lädt, wir laden, ihr ladet, sie laden. Halten, to hold, the stem of the verb is halt. Ich halte, du hältst, hältet, sie hältet, es hältet, wir halten, ihr haltet, sie halten. Okay, hope you can remember how we made sentences in the previous lessons. So, this is for you to try. There's 10 sentences to translate into German. Übung 2, exercise 2. Well, let's check whether you are correct. Übung 2, Antworten. Exercise 2, answers. I sleep 8 hours or I am sleeping 8 hours. Ich schlafe 8 Stunden. You wear a spectacle or you are wearing a spectacle. Du trägst eine Brille or ihr tragt eine Brille or sie tragen eine Brille. She advises the girl or she is advising the girl. Sie berät das Mädchen. The heart beats or the heart is beating. Das Herz schlägt. The cat catches the rat or the cat is catching the rat. Die Katze fängt die Ratte. It carries a bag or it is carrying a bag. Es trägt eine Tasche. We fry chicken or we are frying chicken. Wir braten Hähnchen. He drives the car or he is driving the car. Fährt das Auto. They wash the clothes or they are washing the clothes. Sie waschen die Kleidung. You run fast or you are running fast. Du läufst schnell, ihr lauft schnell or sie laufen schnell. Here we can use the verb rennen also. The verb rennen conjugates as pattern we learnt in part 5.2. The verbs end with en. Du rennst schnell or ihr rennt schnell or sie rennen schnell. Was wir heute gelernt haben. What we learned today. How to conjugate the verbs in which the verb stem changes a to a with umlaut, especially for the pronouns du, sie and s, and how to make sentences using these verbs. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Let's meet with another video. Bye for today. Miss Bald.